Welcome to Emily's Fun Story. She buys a self-help book and learns to practice gratitude every day. Watch how one simple idea changes her life. At the bookstore, choosing the book.
Hi, I'm looking for a good self-help book.
Sure, what kind of book do you want?
Something to make my life better every day.
We have many. How about this one on gratitude?
Gratitude? What does that mean exactly?
It means being thankful for what you have.
Oh, that sounds nice. Tell me more about it.
The book teaches daily exercises to feel happier.
I need that. My days feel so busy.
Yes, many people say it helps a lot.
How much does this book cost?
It's only $15 right now.
Great, I'll buy it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hope you enjoy reading it.
I think I will. It looks interesting.
Come back if you need more books.
Sure, I might get another one soon.
Have a nice day, miss.
You too. Bye for now.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Haha, maybe with a big smile.
That's the spirit. Take care.
Thanks again. I'm excited to start.
At home, starting to read.
Hey, Alex, look what I bought today.
A book? What's it about, Emily?
It's a self-help book on gratitude.
Gratitude again. Explain that word, please.
It means saying thanks for good things.
Sounds simple. Why did you get it?
I want to feel happier every day.
Good idea. Read a bit to me.
Okay, it says start with a journal.
Journal? Like writing down thoughts?
Yes, write what you're thankful for.
Try it now. What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my cozy home.
And for me as roommate?
Yes, you're a fun friend too.
Thanks. This book seems helpful.
I think so. Let's see more pages.
Read aloud. I might learn something.
It says practice gratitude in morning.
Morning? Before coffee even?
Yes, it makes days better.
Okay. Tomorrow I'll try with you.
Great. Let's do it together.
In the park, sharing with a friend.
Tom, I started applying for my book.
Applying? What do you mean by that?
Using the ideas in real life.
Cool. What's the main idea?
Practice gratitude every single day.
Gratitude is being thankful, right?
Yes, it helps me feel positive.
How do you do it exactly?
I write 3 things I'm thankful for.
Like what? Give me examples.
Thankful for sunshine and good friends.
Including me, I hope.
Of course, you're always supportive.
Thanks. Does it really work?
Yes, my mood is better now.
Maybe I should try it too.
You should. It's easy and fun.
Tell me more from the book.
It says gratitude reduces stress.
Stress? Like from work?
Exactly. It makes problems smaller.
Wow, that's interesting. Thanks for sharing.
No problem. Let's practice now.
Okay, I'm thankful for this park.
At work, talking to a colleague.
Mike, have you read self-help books?
Sometimes. Why do you ask?
I bought one and applied something.
Applied, like using it daily?
Yes, the lesson is about gratitude.
Gratitude means thanks, doesn't it?
Right. I practice it every morning.
How does that help at work?
It makes me appreciate my job.
Interesting. I feel stressed often.
Try writing thankful things down.
Like what? My coffee break?
Yes, or helpful colleagues.
Like you. That's nice.
Thanks. It changes your mindset,
Mindset? Explain that word, please.
how you think about things.
Oh, got it. Sounds useful.
It is. My days are happier.
I'll buy a similar book.
Good choice. You'll like it.
Thanks for the tip, Emily.
You're welcome. Let's chat more later.
At the cafe, discussing progress.
Chris, I've been applying gratitude for weeks.
Weeks? How's it going so far?
Great. I feel more positive now.
Positive? Like happy and energetic?
Yes, the book really helped.
What exactly do you do daily?
Write down things I'm thankful for.
Simple, but does it last?
Yes, even on bad days.
Bad days, like when it rains?
Exactly. I thank for umbrellas.
That's funny. Makes sense, though.
Try it. It reduces worries.
Worries? I have many.
Gratitude shifts your focus.
Shifts means changes, right?
Yes, to good things instead.
I'll start tonight. Thanks.
You're welcome. It's life-changing.
Life-changing? Wow, strong word.
But true. I sleep better too.
Really? Tell me more examples.
Thankful for family and health.
Good ones. I agree.
During a walk, overcoming a challenge.
Ben, today was tough at work.
Tough? What happened to you?
I made a mistake on a project.
Oh no. How do you feel?
Sad at first, but I used gratitude.
Gratitude? How does that help?
I thanked for learning from errors.
Errors? Mistakes, you mean?
Yes, it turns bad into good.
Smart. Did it make you better?
Yes, I fixed it quickly.
Good job. Proud of you.
Thanks. The book taught me that.
Book? Your self-help one?
Exactly. One lesson changed everything.
Tell me the lesson again.
Practice being thankful every day.
I should do that too.
You will. It's easy.
Easy? Even when angry?
Yes, find one good thing.
Like friends or food?
Both. It works.
Thanks for inspiring me.
At dinner, reflecting on the change.
Uncle David, my life is different now.
Different? In what way, Emily?
From that self-help book I bought.
The one on gratitude, right?
Yes, I applied one key thing.
Key thing? What's that?
Practicing thanks every single day.
How has it changed you?
I feel happier and calmer.
Calmer? Less worried?
Exactly. Even with problems.
Problems? Like family stuff?
No, work and daily life.
Impressive. Share an example.
I think for simple meals like this.
This dinner? That's sweet.
It makes everything better.
I see your big smile now.
Yes, gratitude brings joy.
Joy? Happiness, you mean?
Right. Try it with me.
Okay. I'm thankful for you.
Aw, thanks. That's nice.
This book sounds wonderful.
It is. One idea, big change.
And that's how Emily's small step with gratitude made her life brighter. See you next time.